Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, October 15th. What's going on today, news wise? We're looking at Forex Factory. Of course, we have the disclaimer U.S. government data may be impacted by shutdown. Tentative events are subject to delay, revision, or cancellation. So, this is a new world we live in. It is what it is. Moving on. Okay. 9:30 we have FOMC member Moran speaking. 8:30 we had the Empire State Manufacturing Index, which was actually positive. That is good news. This is New York. New York has troubles because they're the highest labor costs in the US. So usually the Empire State's the last to lag manufacturing. But this is a good sign. Maybe there is some manufacturing happening in the U.S. after all. So after the talking head, what else do we have? We've got 12:30. We have another talking head. Moran again speaks. 1 p.m. Walter speaks. And at 2 p.m. we have the Beige Book, which may or may not actually be released. And then at 2:30 we have Member Schmidt speaking. So we have a bunch of talking heads. At 4:30, we have API Weekly Statistical Bulletin, and that's it. So a lot of talking heads and really very little news to speak of. At least that is coming out in a timely manner. Here we go. Looking at the charts, resilient market yesterday was able to eke out a very, very small loss after a really ugly gap down and it recovered today. We're gapping up again. This is the China Trump tariff mess, which was on Friday. Friday. And then the realization that, oh, that's a bunch of baloney and everything's going to be fine because, it's called the taco trade. And now we are back above the 20-day moving average, above the 50-day moving average. Everything is great. Everything is going to the moon. Heavy volume. Better than average. So, here we go. It makes no sense. The market is completely nonsensical. That being said, once again, I say it again, and I'll say it again. Trade what you see, not what you think. This market does not make sense at all. That being said, trade what you see, not what you think. If the market's going up, go long. If the market's going down, go short. Yes. Make it simple and stop thinking. Yeah, I know. Crazy. A little bit of down action, very small, but we had positive price at our positive inventory. Not surprising at all. Buy the dip folks are in full force. Now we're probably even getting into some FOMO, fear of missing out, that it's now moving to the upside. So a lot of hysteria going on in the market right now. Moving on. Overnight action. Up. Yeah. Where do we have support and resistance? You can see we've got a little confluence of resistance at 67.43, 67.56, 67.69, 67.80. Support. Got a little confluence here at 67.20. 6,700 is one number I'll be watching. This overnight low area, 66.84. Get below 6,700, we might actually, retrace some. 66.70, 66.50 is some of the support levels lower down. Stock Traders Almanac is 57.1, so a 57.1% chance the market will be in or up, I should say. And you can see that this range is much less than yesterday, only 58 points, but it's still way above average. That's really showing us the amount of volatility that is in the market as we speak. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.